The collaboration feature lets survey owners add collaborators to forms and quizzes. After you create a new form, click it on the dashboard and choose the collaboration option. The collaboration screen will appear. Next, tap on the Add Collaborator button at the top. A pop-up will appear that will allow you to enter the collaborator's email ID. Type the user's email ID to give them access to the form. Using the drop-down menu on the right, you can choose which role you want the collaborator to have: admin, editor, or viewer. Admin can edit the form or quiz and add collaborators. Editors can edit the form or quiz and view the responses. And viewers can read the form or quiz and view the responses. After you fill in the user details and select the role, click on the Add button. You will see the newly added collaborator in the list. To quickly change the access of the user, simply click on the drop-down option on the right and select the access type. You can delete a collaborator by clicking on the cross button. Collaborators can also be managed from within the form or quiz settings. To do that, go to the Edit mode of the form or quiz. Click on Settings and then go to the Collaborate tab to add or delete the collaborators or change their role. You will be able to quickly identify if a form or quiz has collaborators by viewing the shared icon on the top left corner of the form or quiz on the dashboard. This video demonstrated how to use the collaborator feature in SurveyHeart. Subscribe to our channel to view future videos.